Hare Krishna. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurabani Pracharane Nirvi Sesa Sunyavari Paschatya Deshatarane. Your Prime Minister has been stoned, shouted Bob. Bob Jensen had stormed into your quarters unannounced, and with shoes still on, he threw a newspaper onto your desk. Bob was a sympathizer of the Hare Krishna movement. A 1967 article in the paper was headlined, open quote, Indira Gandhi stoned, end quote. This was in 1966, or 67. You read the article, expressionless, and remained silent for a few moments. After a brief silence, you smiled and told him, the Raja Rishis of yore cared for all the citizens and cared for all their needs. You went on, open quote, the citizens had plenty of food and rainfall. They weren't harassed by rogues. They didn't even suffer from scorching heat or excessive cold, and they were always peaceful. The kings were called Rajas and the citizens Prajas. The Prajas were always protected by the Rajas. The people were free from anxiety, close quote. Hundreds of farmers had driven their tractors from the nearby Bihar province to attend the Prime Minister's public appearance. From 1964 until 1967, there had been an unforgiving drought in their nearby state, and the local cultivators, most probably throwbacks from earlier days, blamed the Prime Minister for their misfortune. You knew about the drought, you meaning Prabhupada, but the newspaper didn't mention it. The farmers cast rocks at her. One stone causing her nose to bleed. Another caused her upper lip to swell. However, she continued to speak and even rebuked the violent hecklers. After a while, both sat down. He had become pacified, understanding the situation behind the headline and the article. As he sat, having calmed down considerably and learned from you the importance of Vedic truth. That's all. Hare Krishna.